We witnessed today's assembly and it was a very great experience. We saw how speakers handles all the pressure and the opposition party asked many questions and majority party tried to answer to these questions. Today's topic was irrigation and many questions were asked on these topic. So it was a very great experience to witness this assembly.
My name is Anvi Naik. आयज आमकां असेंब्ली पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी. आमकां कळ्ळें की क्वेश्चन आवर कसो जाता, झिरो आवर कसो कंडक्ट करता, स्पीकर सर कशे सगळ्यांक शांत करता, कशे क्वेश्चन्स करता, कशे आन्सर्स मेळटा आनी कशे इश्यूज डिस्कस जाता. आयज आमकां पॅडी कल्टिवेशनाचे टॉपिक मेळ्ळो, मागीर वॉटर सेवेज आनी टँकर्स खंय तरी हेजो लीक जाल्लो तेवूय कळ्ळें. खुबशे टॉपिक्स जे आमकां खबर नाशिल्ले ते आयज कळ्ळें एंड फूल एक एक्सपिरियन्स न्यू आशिल्लो, सो खूब बरें दिसलें आनी खूब कितें कितें न्यू शिकपाक मेळ्ळें.